Never actually played this game. Hope it's good. It's Indiana Jones game. So I'm just gonna be my first Let's Play. So yeah. Let's go with yes. Gotta learn the controls for this. Hope you guys can hear this. I really do. So I don't want to re-record this. Sweet. Raiders of the Lost Ark. Good movie. Very good movie. They're all good movies. If you guys haven't seen that new one, it wasn't as good as the old ones, but if you're an Indiana Jones fan, it's just a good movie to see. But so, yeah, I like that movie. Apparently this guy's Spanish. Reading a map. The golden idol must be inside this temple. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I just sound stupid like that. It's probably just gonna be a huge intro movie. Probably not gonna see any gameplay. Never played this game, so. Oh, they just send us right into the action. Okay. Oh. Oh, dang. That was fast. I did forget how to jump for a second. Sweet. Whip. Jump. Hey. Die. Yay. Oh. Can almost reach it. Whatever. Oh, snap. Jump. Okay, it's just a... Not even gonna touch those. Whoa. Just run for it. Run. Oh, didn't know what to do there.
Let's go.
Right back here again. Great. Just running through this part since I know it's here. Oh, dang. Oh, of course I run into that. What? Ah, crap.
Let's go.
Do do do. Do 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 do. Yes. Dang it, I ran into that thing again. Jewels. Whips. In case you didn't have one, I'm guessing. Don't. Okay. We'll be using save states, so. Phew, that was close. God, I gotta stop running through these. Dang it! Jumped right on it. Whoa. Oh, what? What?
What game is this?
Sorry about that. Die. I hate you. So, if you don't like me using save states, then get over it. What did... Can't... What? I can't... Dude... What the crap? Okay, well, I don't know what to do here. So I'm gonna do this. Yeah, so I figured out what to do. If I can do it. Holy crap. See, I gotta do that. Die. Said save. Ah, crap. Oh, dang it. Two. See? There we go. Jump. Yeah, so. Swear to God, if I